I'm very unfit. A lot of shit has happened since then. Yeah, hello, welcome back to part 2 of this Couch to 5k thing I've been doing. It's been a long time since I uploaded that last video, as I just said. So much has happened. There's been downs, there's been lost footage, all sorts. So, forget the big fuck off tiger, if you can, and let's get back to where I started. Welcome back to Jay being out of breath, part 2. Felt like that last video was out of breath for the fucking whole thing. First of all, thank you to anyone that watched the first video. Got a lot of messages, got a lot of love from it, and it made me so happy. I must admit, it made me so happy to hear just off a couple of people saying, "Oh, it's really good." Some people said you inspired me and stuff, and like, it's nothing big, but it just feels so good. So thank you, everyone. It's motivating me. If you haven't watched the first video, that's not gonna make any sense. Go watch it. But yeah, I'm on my run. I'm on my run. It's just a warm-up run, if you will, just because I've not been running since the last video. It's been a couple of days, so I'm just warming up, get myself ready, and I think tomorrow I'm going to do week 4. But for now, running in the nature reserve. We're in the big leagues now. Yeah, week 4 finally. I know I put it off a long time, but we're finally here. This involves 3-minute runs, 5-minute runs, hardly any walking to stop and change and get you moved. So it's a windy one. Hopefully you can hear me. Let's just do it. I shouldn't say that, should I? It's alright. We got this. We go. Oh, first 5 minutes done. I actually did it surprisingly. I just stayed quite focused, put my eyesight on one spot and just keep running. Got a podcast on, so it's kind of like just try and listen to that and don't think about the running. But yeah, still another 3 and 5 minute run left, so we'll see how it goes. Right, I forgot to end that video because I was just knackered. I sat down and had a shower. I'm in the car with Hopi, and we're on the way back to her dad's, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, that was really hard, that run. I'm really happy I did it. I actually managed to do the first 3 minutes, the first 5 minutes, and the second 3 minutes without stopping, which is actually massive, really, when you think about it, compared to like a couple of weeks ago where doing a minute was tough. So I'm really happy with myself. I couldn't do the last 5 minutes all the way through, but you know, I did most of it. I just had to slow down and kind of come to a very, very, very slow jog just to get my energy back. But yeah, buzzing. On to the next one. Good morning run. Today's a funny one because about 20 minutes ago I was face down in my bed, not wanting to move, and I kept having to say to myself, it's easy to quit, it's easy to quit, it's easy to quit. So I've pushed myself, I'm out. Probably might be a struggle, but let's see how it goes. What the fuck? Hold on. It's just horses. Yeah. I definitely didn't expect that on my run. Oh, I knew that was going to be tough. And I was fucking right, wasn't I? Oh, it was really tough, but I'm happy I got out. I didn't do the full 5 minutes, you know, I still struggle with that, but I got out. I hit the what man about. I did a run. I did good run. I've been slacking a bit, and I've only got myself to blame. I've made up some excuses in my own mind, like we've been busy recently and this whole thing, and partly true, but ultimately I can still come out and have a run, and I haven't been. I'm quite disappointed in myself. I've put off doing this run and I've put off talking to the camera for a bit, but I feel like I'm okay right now. I smashed week 4. I absolutely blitzed it, but I fell off a cliff, so now I'm just doing some like warm-up kind of run that's not week 4 or 5, because I know I won't be able to do that and that'll hit my confidence, and I don't want that, do I? So but yeah, mentally I was a bit shit a while ago. because this whole job thing, but actually things have turned for the better. I've got a bar job in town, which is great, but also I've got an interview at the BBC. So by the time this video comes out, I'll probably know if I've got the job or not. But how fucking exciting is that? So that's kind of give you some more motivation as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna try and pick this back up again, because I'm really disappointed myself I've let go of this, because also, you know, I made the last video and I was full of confidence and I'm like, yeah, okay, I need to fucking lose weight, but here I am. And also on top of that, I was watching an old vlog of mine and I didn't look skinny, but I look like half the size I am now, and I was like, fucking, I have put loads of weight on. So that was a kick up the bum. Okay, I'm back on the run, let's do it. Halfway through now. As you can tell, I'm absolutely knackered, and it's just so strange how oh fucking hell, oh no, I just rolled my ankle. Oh fuck, I can't believe I just did that, and I did it on camera. Oh man, yeah, I had a football injury like at uni where I rolled my ankle, and then 2 weeks later I rolled it again, and I've fucked it up ever since. And this whole couch to 5k thing, it hasn't actually played up, but I just walked down some uneven ground and rolled it, and it's not that bad. But I know how, fuck, it does hurt, but I know how painful that roll is. Fuck. I don't know what to do. Yeah, that injury was horrible. Basically, since university, I played football there, and like I rolled my ankle and never rested it. So ever since, it's never been like good. So you know, it happens sometimes to me. Like if I roll it in a horrible way, it'll just ache, and it's never going to be 100%. So, you know, running, it was always going to be a problem, but with this, you know, this clip, the ground was uneven. I was running, and yeah, I just my ankle rolled completely, which was shit. But I rested it, and I just kept going.
The time has now come for us all to do more. From this evening, I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
But the world had other plans. Yeah, coronavirus happens, everybody knows by now. It put an absolute pause to everything for me. You know, that job I was talking about, gone. That interview I was talking about, gone. Everything went on pause, and it was shit. It was really shit, and we had to stay inside for a very long time, didn't we? And it obviously it was not just me, but me personally, it affected, you know, everything going on in my life, and it was poor. But I thought I'm gonna use this to my advantage now. I've got nothing but time. Let's try and smash out running, and I ran pretty much every single day, every other day, for a while. But yeah, I'm currently out on a run. I can't start where I started last time. Just because I've not ran for so long and I've got no pace again and that whole situation, so let's get back to running, man. I'm doing like week 3s again to build myself up. So I did a week 3 yesterday, I'm going to do a week 3 today, have a day's rest, and then jump into week 4 again. I hope that'll build me back up, my stamina back up, but we'll see. Okay, I'm out doing my week 5 now. I've finally progressed back to week 5. I had to go all the way back to week 3, got here, and now I'm back. I'm quite proud of myself. But now it's just time to carry on from where I left off. Smash it, do the 5-minute runs. Man, yeah. I actually ran for the full 25, no stops. Usually, like previously, I'd stop for 30 seconds, but I fucking did it. Come on, I'm so excited, man. I can't believe that. I wasn't feeling great today. I didn't think I'd do it, but I just pushed through, man. Scrubs rewatch show helped me out a lot. Oh my god, come on. Alright, good moment for me. When I first did this in January, I came this way and I did that first bike ride that really set me off on this like fitness thing, and I could barely make up that hill. I mean, I didn't make up that hill, I just made the hill, and obviously I'm out of breath, as you can tell, but I'm going to do the full lap. It feels really good. It feels really good. It's not running, but I've got a problem with that, so it's good movement. So ooh. Yeah, and then week 8 came along and I struggled, man. You know, the ankle started playing up again, and that's always going to be a problem, but it started playing up again for me, and I just kind of tried to keep fit. So I played football a little bit, like light football. I went on bike rides and stuff. I tried to keep fit, but it just never got going. And then so basically all I had to do was rest it. I had to rest it. There was no other way around it. I had to rest my ankle, and then that put me back a couple of weeks. So yeah, I was like a couple of weeks out of schedule again. I never fully did this whole way through. I had plenty of breaks, but basically it puts you back a couple of weeks because you just can't catch up with where you were. But so what I was just doing quick, like 20-minute runs, 10, 15-minute runs, just to try and get my fitness back again. And then this happened. Right. So I'm out running. This was only supposed to be one of my recovery runs. Just getting back to where I was, because I keep going up and down. But I feel really good. Been running for about 30 minutes now. And I was supposed to turn back and do another 30 minutes that way, but I feel good. I might as well just continue going. So I might do a 30-minute run today, which is the end of Couch to 5k, which is kind of mad. But yeah, this feels good. So yeah, I was 100%. I'm ready. I was ready to go. Let's finish this Couch to 5k. Let's do it. Oh, I couldn't have picked a worse day to be back in action. Very cold, it's wet. Hope it's over with me. We do the warm up together, and then we kind of go our separate ways because hope goes further. But yeah, week 8, run 1. I haven't been able to say that in so long. Right, close to the end now. Let's do this. Okay. It's absolutely tipping it down, but I gotta go for a run. I've got to do it. It's the 3rd one, week 8, and at the end of week 8 it's crazy, but I've got to go. It's gonna be a very wet one. Fucking did it. Let's go. Oh my god, everything going against me today. I got a stitch, my legs are cramping, I'm out of breath. The fucking train closed on me, like the train barriers. So I had to go around the train station. Oh god, my phone was freaking out at one point. My god. Oh, but I did it. I only stopped that once, and I did it. Very proud. Very tired. Let's go. 2 more. Yeah, what's my hair doing? Week 9, run 2, nearly there. Today's the day. It's the last run. Hope's here for moral support. Well ahead anyway, doing like a 35-minute run. But it's the last 30-minute run. I'm kind of nervous, I'm a bit nervous, but
You're fine.
thank you. We got this. last one. Catch the 5K is so close to being over. Oh, okay. I'm very unfit. Ah! Yes! Come on! I did it. That one was tough. I just see Opie in the distance. That one was really tough. So tough. Oh God, I'm absolutely dripping with sweat. Oh no, I don't want to show that. I did it, man. Anyone can do it. Buzzing, I'm so happy with myself. You know, like, start this year, I was much bigger than I am now. And I was just unfit. And there's so much more progress to do. I still need to lose weight. I'm not going to give it up now. I'm going to keep running. I'm going to try and run for 30 minutes every week. For 3 times a week. But that's it, man. I'm done. Oh, fuck. And that's it. And when I watch that clip, that makes me smile, man. It's an accomplishment. Like, I've never been able to run 5K before, and now I can. It's been a while since even that happened, because I lost the footage. Well, I didn't lose it. It was on my old phone. That phone broke, and I had to get the footage off it somehow. So that's took me a while. That's why it's been so long. But yeah, just this video now is such a motivational tool for myself. Like, I can just watch this, look what I achieved, and keep going, and I'm really proud of that. And I'm also really proud of Hope. Shout out to Hope. She also completed Couch to 5K. She did it before me, even though I started before her. That's she just kind of like took over and went, and I was really proud of her. To be honest, her doing it at the same time really motivated me. So shout out to her. Shout out to myself. I'm really proud of myself. Yeah, and you know what, thank you every single person that commented on that last video. I've had a lot of love off of it, and it really made me smile, made me happy. And I hope that seeing me, you know, a chubby man complete this Couch to 5K, you know, I hope that inspires some more people as well, because I've actually done it now. I've ran a 5K, and that's pretty fucking cool. Right, that's it, yeah. Thanks for watching. I never explained that, Tiger. That's my mum's 50th birthday present. It's now in here. It might be appear in some of my videos.